Hey guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today let's talk about wheatgrass. So, wheatgrass is a great thing to grow in your garden. Actually, you don't need a garden, you can grow this inside. So, wheatgrass is the young grass of the common wheat plant. It is grown and harvested within 7 to 10 days and juiced into shots. The juice should be consumed immediately after extraction. It is supposed to be really nutritious. Some people say that it has about 90 elements from the soil. It also contains vitamin B70, which is a substance that is believed to destroy cancer cells. It helps purify the blood, it boosts the energy, and reduces the free radical damage in the body. It is a great immunity booster also, and it purifies the stomach, liver, pancreas, and whatnot. It helps in digestion. It has a lot of vitamins, minerals. So really, it is full of good things for your body. So you must grow it if you can, and especially when the seasons are changing, like from winters to summers or from summers to winters, your body needs more immunity, and that's a great time to grow this wheatgrass and make juice out of it and consume it. So I have these whole wheat grains that I got from store, and I have soaked them for about 36 hours, and if you look at these carefully you can see that they have started to sprout. So now in this container I have this has completely cocoa peat, wet cocoa peat, and this one has cocoa peat and little bit of potting soil mix. So this is just to show you if there's any difference between the two growing here or here. So now I'm just going to take these and just scatter them. And these can be really dense because when you are growing wheat grass, it's not that they're going to grow too tall, so it's okay for them to be dense. So try to be gentle because they have already started sprouting, so you don't want to uh, break the sprouts. And now I'm going to keep these in a warm place. So I'm going to keep them inside, and I'll try to keep them covered like this so that they retain the moisture, and loosely covered because if you tightly cover it, then what will happen is that it may generate fungus here. You don't want that. So I'll just loosely cover it so that it retains the moisture, and as it starts to grow I'll keep you posted. And I'll keep them in an area where it gets some sunlight. Otherwise they may not grow that healthy and they may flop. It's been 2 days, and you can see that the seeds have started to grow roots, and both of them are growing roots equally. And as you can see that they are on a windowsill, and they get about 2 hours of direct sunlight, east sunlight, and then indirect sunlight the whole day. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and share it with your friends and family too. It's been 3 days, and if you look carefully, they have started to develop shoots. They're, you know, pale green shoots, but you can see them, some of them. It's been 5 days, and you can see the green shoots. They have grown at least 3 inches tall now. And you can see that both the containers are growing equally well. There's no difference whether they are in coco peat or in regular potting soil mix. It's been about 8 days, and if you look at this, the wheatgrass has grown really big. It is about 4 to 5 inches tall, and it is so lush and green and thick. Now, if you want to compare between the wheatgrass that grew in coco peat or in regular potting soil mix, looks wise, there is no difference. But the thing is that coco peat does not contain any micronutrients. So the grass that grows in there may not have all the nutrients. But if you grow them in regular potting soil mix, then you may get more nutrients there. So I would suggest that you grow it in regular potting soil mix. The only thing is that before you actually juice that wheatgrass, you'll have to clean it properly just to make sure that there are no pathogens or anything like that. You have to clean it more. So to harvest it, you just cut it like this. So maybe for one dose or one shot, you need half of this, and you just wash it and swirl it in your mixer with very little water, and you have a wheatgrass shot. And the next day you can cut the rest of it and you can have another wheatgrass shot. And once you have harvested all the wheatgrass, you just dump the content in the compost pile. You don't want to regrow it because it may not get all the nutrients. It's better to start the seeds again. So if you want to have wheatgrass shots every day, and you have such containers which are like 7-8 inches in length and about 4-5 inches in width, this container will give you 2 wheatgrass shots. So you should plant new seeds every other day, and that way you will have a continuous supply of wheatgrass. So I hope this video was useful to you. It is really easy to grow wheatgrass. You just buy seeds in bulk and you have these containers ready with you, and just keep planting them every other day, and just leave them in a place where they get direct sunlight, and you keep misting them so that they are always moist. Otherwise they will dry up and will not grow that well. And then you can have your wheatgrass juice every day. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.